Pull your lips in. Breathe in. Is that the first time you've ever done it? Look at her, look how happy she is. Look how unhappy she is. Let's do it again. Look at that. That's what happens when you step out of your comfort zone and you don't listen to your mind that's telling you this and that. Then you get to experience joy and feelings. Hold on a second. Joy and feelings that you haven't had. I challenge you. No matter, you see how you're, that's fine. If it's more important for you, you get a choice right now.
I'll try it at home and I'll tell you how it went.
I don't care. I don't even care if you go home. I'm not getting paid when you're home. You have a choice right now. Be right or be happy. Because right now you can't.
I am happy. I'm watching you guys and it's funny.
Okay, fine. I'm just making up a story about it. Okay.
Why you making up?
Is she really a happy person?
She's
like this. She's like, yeah, she's a happy person. All right, cool. All right. One more time. Breathe in. I'm going to believe you because you're very outgoing. Okay, cool. So go like this. Ready? One more time. If you didn't try it before, notice how happy she was. Notice how happy other people were. And here's your chance to do it again. And if you don't do it and your mind's just going blah, 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 how's that working? Because like I said, at 11 o'clock I'm out of here. Your mind's still going to be around you. Sorry. Okay, ready? Pull your lips in.